Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing, or this evening, I'm going to be doing a night routine, which I've actually never done a night routine on my channel. Today's might actually be a couples edition because, you know, Joshua's here in the evening too.
Hello.
We are going to start off our evening. It is 5:13. 5:12 or 5:13, depending on which clock you look at. I'm actually going to get some dinner started right now. I just got my HelloFresh box today. These are the options that they gave us. I have never got this one before, so this one actually looks amazing. I think we're gonna make that one tonight. I also got the Juicy Lucy burger, which we've made that before, and it's amazing. And then we've never got these, but I think I'm gonna save these for like tomorrow. And it's honestly perfect because we have no groceries right now. I have not been to the grocery store, so this just sounds delicious. So I've said this before, and most of you probably already know what HelloFresh is, but it's a meal kit delivery service that comes right to your door. There's each individual bags, and everything that you could need to make your meal is in here. I got my chicken breast strips. We've got a couple of tomatoes, lemon, all the spices, everything, and it's super convenient because you have the perfect amount for 2 people. So they have a bunch of different options on their site. If you go to the HelloFresh website, which I will have the link down below, you guys can choose from vegetarian, family plans, or for just 2. There's a bunch of different options there, but I do have a coupon code for you guys. That's to get $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. It's Abby80, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll also have it down below so you guys can check it out because it is a really, really great deal. And HelloFresh is already affordable, but that makes it even way, way, way more affordable. So check it out if you guys haven't already, and I'm going to get to cooking. And another great thing is that it never takes too long.
Oh boy, something smells good.
Got our noodles. It should be done in like 3 minutes. And then we have tomatoes roasting in here, which I've never roasted tomatoes before.
Yeah.
So that's also something I like HelloFresh always takes me out of my comfort zone.
Mm-hmm. Well, dinner, we kind of started this new family tradition.
Joshua did.
Yeah, because I'm a gameaholic. I like to play board games and card games, and so instead of watching TV while we eat, we kind of have like a board game night. We just pick out a board game and we play it. So I'll go down and
Joshua always picks out the board game, but we do have way too many board games.
No, I need more.
We have way too many.
No, I need more. So we'll go take a look. Last time we played Guess Who, Abigail won 5-4. Which one do we want to play? Exploding Kittens. Abigail's never played this game.
The only thing I'm worried about is I haven't played that, so that means that I'm probably not gonna win.
Not true.
How does this look compared to that? That looks pretty good.
Yeah, you need to sprinkle some cheese on.
I just put it all in it. I mixed it all in. We're about to eat. I'm gonna set the camera down so we can play our game. The boys have to eat too. Alright, dude, you're first. Dude got his. And Bandit, there's yours. Good boys. Now, since the boys have been fed and everything, we are going to go ahead and take them for a walk. It's 7 o'clock now, and for some of you that might know this, Big Brother comes on at 8 o'clock. So we're going to be watching that. But actually we have to catch up on a couple episodes, so we'll see how many Big Brothers we end up watching tonight. So when I said we play a game at dinner instead of watching TV, I didn't mean like we don't watch TV at all. Like, I was trying to change the light. I just meant like we don't watch TV during dinner. But we'll be watching Big Brother.
Also, if you don't watch Big Brother, stay tuned for season 22 of Big Brother, where I will try to be auditioning for it.
I told Joshua he has to be on Big Brother.
So if you're that CBS, this guy.
I don't know why.
Big Brother!
We keep like bending down.
Oh, yeah.
We're just gonna take the dogs for a walk. I won't blab on right now because he's playing with his toy right now. And it's really loud. Could they be any cuter when they're getting ready to go for a walk? Now, dude, he loves a good walk, but he hates wearing his Easy Walk harness. That's why he's acting like he's all depressed right now. Dude, we're gonna go for a walk. Come on, get excited. We won't make you wear it today. This is my favorite thing, when they drink out of the water bowl at the same time. Here, let's take off your leash. If you guys can't tell, we're at Meijer. That's our grocery store here. So we were on our way to Dairy Queen. And it's past 8 now, so thank goodness for DVR, because Big Brother's already on. We're on our way to Dairy Queen. And then we were like, let's just go to the grocery store and get our own dessert. And Joshua wanted to get lactate-free ice cream. Just admit it.
Lactose-free.
Oh yeah, lactose-free. It's called Lactate. So anyway, we are going to go into Meijer now, and hopefully they have some sort of delicious dessert I can take home and have while I watch my show. If I can ever watch it tonight, because now it's getting late, but let's go. Looking at all the ice creams. Let's face it, I'm not doing healthy. And good thing we came to the grocery store, because now we have dog food, creamer, razors. It's that time of the night where I am going to put on something comfy, and then we'll finally watch our show. I also forgot to tell you guys, we normally stay up pretty late. We've actually been working on trying to go to bed earlier. So, I'm not sure what time we're gonna go to bed tonight. This could be a long video.
We're back.
I took all my makeup off.
I still have my hat on.
Hey, you need to change into something comfy.
No.
He won't. Does anybody else's husbands do this? Like, when I'm done for the day, I have to get the makeup off, just put on the biggest clothes I can possibly find, and just relax. He will literally, even like if he has a collared shirt on during the day, he will leave that on until the second we crawl in bed, which I don't understand how he can do that. How can he do that? So are we finally gonna watch Big Brother or what?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Oh boy.
Low battery.
Low battery.
Better get to it then.
Nicole, you have one more shot and Tommy gets a shot. Yes! Yeah, Nicole!
May I go to bed? Go get bed, come on. Gotta grab the toy, huh? Alright guys, so we're in bed now. And we both just are in bed. We're about to read, well, I'm reading this book. Joshua's reading a different book. But we watched Big Brother tonight. Oh my goodness, it was so good. Comment down below and let me know if you guys are watching Big Brother right now. We love that show. It's our favorite show. I want Joshua to go on so bad. I think it would be so awesome. But I would miss you a lot. But I think you would be really good at it. But anyway, let me know who you guys are rooting for if you're watching the show. It's like the biggest emotional roller coaster of a show. It's just so good. Anyway, I've been reading this Joyce Meyer book. I read all of her books, and this one's really good. I thought I would share a little inspiring something to end the night. This is something that's just highlighted in this book because it's called Unshakable Trust. It just says, it is one thing to trust God when we get what we want, but quite another to trust Him when we don't. So I thought that was really cool to think about because it is important to trust God even when it's hard too. Instead of always relying on ourselves and being worried, because that's not what He wants. So I just kind of wanted to end the night on that. We're gonna read for a little bit and then fall asleep. It's actually pretty late, but this is pretty normal for us going to bed this late. Do you have anything else you'd like to share?
No.
No? Okay.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, subscribe. If you're new or you just haven't subscribed yet, comment down below. I think I said that a million times, but yeah. We'll see you guys in the next video.